Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by stopping any sound, pause music or end the call so no audio resumes when you handle the buds. Next, place the charging case within reach and confirm it has some charge. If the case is dead, the buds won't power down properly. Once done, pick up both AirPods Pro and inspect the case LED. Make sure you can close the lid without obstruction. This sets up the physical steps that follow and prevents interruptions or accidental reconnection. You now place both AirPods Pro into their correct left/right slots. Alignment matters because the case senses contact to stop power draw. Once seated, close the lid firmly. Don't just rest it, so the internal switch registers closed. Then watch the case LED. A brief amber or green pulse confirms the connection and charging state. If it's off, the buds may already be off or the case needs charge. Make sure the lid stays closed for at least 5-10 seconds. You finish by verifying the AirPods Pro are off. Open your device's Bluetooth menu and confirm they show disconnected. Don't assume silence alone means power off. If they still appear active, toggle Bluetooth or enable airplane mode to force disconnection. If closing the case doesn't work, remove debris from the case or earbud contacts and try again. A reset of the AirPods via the setup button will fix persistent issues. If they still misbehave, charge the case, then repeat these steps.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.